Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file and they're not happy. They want circles, more like this, and these are not circles. And they made this by doing this, filling in the Smart Fill tool, move it down, left click, right click, go up to effects and contour one side, 1 inch to the inside, go ahead and break the contour apart. This is a pretty good way, but I don't think you'll ever get a circle. So Control D, double click and put the rotation on that node and rotate it 90 degrees. I didn't have it grouped. Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it. Double click on the rotation and put it on that node, rotate it 90 degrees. And you do have some overlapping, which I thought at first it was going to make it work. But if we take, I hit the wrong little bit of red ledge. And I thought, man, that's going to work. Or why wouldn't it work? But if we take this and rotate it 45 degrees and make it 10 inches, and when we set our nudge factor on 10, it just doesn't make a circle. So I only know this because I've done this before. And if you'll take a screenshot of that right there, that's what you need. So we're going to start with circles. So I'm just going to do it again. Start with an ellipse. And we're just going to make it 10 inches. And then we're going to Control D and we'll make the next one 8 inches. Okay. Group that together. Hit the plus key and move it over. Let me get this out of the way. Group this together, Control G, Control D, and rotate it 90 degrees. And that's how you're going to make a circle. Now, the Alt key, once again, is a big factor in it. What I would do is go around the corners first. Just go around the corner so you won't get lost and do something you shouldn't do. And then just swipe through here and swipe through there and swipe through there and swipe through there. And look. No, and swipe one more time. Swipe through there. I thought that looked funny. Then, because you didn't cut these lines, it's going to fill in like that. Now, for some reason, that's pretty close to the other thing. It's already 10 inches because we made our circles 10 inches. And we're going to hit the plus key and move it over and look at the circle that's left in the center. Control D and move them down. And so it'll look like this yellow pattern. I don't remember where I realized how to do that. I've done this way before, but see, you're just not, this would be a cool pattern, don't get me wrong. But this is, are you looking at petals or are you looking at circles? Continuous circles almost. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.